Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert MOV to MP4. So if your video is stuck in the MOV format, it's common for iPhones and also Macs and won't play correctly on certain devices, websites or video editors, converting to the MP4 format is the solutions. And here I'm going to show you the simple tutorial on how you can convert your MOV files to MP4. So first, you can just use an online converter. This is the fastest way you can use a secure free online tools. You can just search on your website MOV converter, convert to MP4 like this, and as you guys can see, there will be lots of options, and the safe one, for example, this Cloud Convert. You can also use Convertio, and there's also Canva and CapCut, and of course it is trusted. And the second one, you can also use the VLC media player. This is the offline way, so you can convert files right on your PC or Mac without uploading to the internet using the VLC. And again, you can also use the video editor like CapCut or DaVinci. You can just simply import your MOV file into a free editor like CapCut, Canva or DaVinci Resolve and export it as an MP4 file. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.